Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power. Disconnect the battery negative to avoid shorts and airbag faults. Put on gloves and clear the work area so you can move the door freely. Once done, remove visible screws and pry out trim with a panel tool. Keep clips organized. Make sure the glass is supported or taped in the full-down position so it doesn't fall. Next, peel back the vapor barrier slowly to expose wiring and the window regulator assembly. This is where the real work begins. You now diagnose the problem. Apply 12V or use a multimeter at the switch connector to see if power reaches the motor when you operate the switch. If power is present but the motor hums or doesn't move, the motor or gears are failing. Once identified, support the glass with suction cups or a helper, then unbolt the regulator mounting points and motor bolts. Carefully separate the glass from the regulator and lift it out of the door, keeping parts in order for reassembly. You install the new regulator and motor by reversing removal. Position the regulator, loosely start bolts, then align the glass in the track and tighten to spec. Reconnect the motor wiring and temporarily reconnect the battery to cycle the window. This lets you set limits and confirm smooth travel. Make sure to listen for binding or grinding. Once satisfied, disconnect power, apply silicone lube to the tracks, reseat the vapor barrier, and reinstall the door panel. If the window binds, check
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.